I'm Tom, and welcome to Alley Picked. Now, if you're new to this channel, you usually see me doing upcycling, rebuilding, repurposing, organizing your shop. And that's exactly what we're doing today, organizing the shop. Today's video is about this, but not so much the package, but that slot at the top. Did you know that that slot actually has a name? It's called the Euro slot. It comes from the European standards for retail packaging, which is, of course, to be able to mount the product on a pegboard hook. Now, it's really unbelievable, all the things that you can store on pegboard hooks for your home and your workshop. And today I'm going to show you how to make a 4-foot by 8-foot wall-mounted pegboard storage. Of course, it doesn't have to be 4 foot by 8 foot. You can make it any size you want. So there's two sizes of pegboard hooks and holes, 1/8 of an inch and 1/4 inch. I'm using 1/4 since they're stronger for supporting more weight. With the 1x2s, which are actually 1 5/8 wide, I'm framing the outside and one support down the middle. These are sharp point lath screws. They have a wide head, so I'm not going to need to use any washers. I add a screw through the pegboard hole and into the wood strip about every 12 to 16 inches, all the way around and down the middle. With the third 1x4, I'm screwing it to the top using 1 5/8 inch screws. I drilled pilot holes so my wood doesn't split. I also use a larger bit to make a countersink hole so my screw head stays flush. The shelf gives me 8 more feet of storage for screws, nails, spray paint, whatever I can fit there. I noticed that both sides in the middle had a little flex in it. Not a big deal, but I think I'm going to go back and add a spacer here for additional support. Just to give you an idea of how much stuff you can actually store on these pegboard hooks, let me show you this side room over here in my basement, where about 10 years ago, I made a 4 foot wide by 5 foot long, wall-mounted pegboard storage. I have clearly overloaded this thing with tools, hammers, axes, saws, wrenches, all kinds of supplies. And without this pegboard, I wouldn't have any other place to put all that stuff. To mount this to the wall, I'm going to drill 2 holes on each side and then screw it to the wall. I have wood walls, so in my case, I'm not going to need to line this up with the studs. For the 1/4 inch pegboard hooks, I bought these at Harbor Freight for $6.99. I tried to pick them up at Home Depot, but they were really expensive. I suggest purchasing the exact hooks you need from Amazon, where you're going to get the best bang for your buck. When it comes to pegboard hooks, there's generally 2 sizes, the smaller one and the bigger one. This one is 1/8 of an inch. This one is 1/4 of an inch. Technically, it's a little smaller than a quarter because it has to fit into a 1/4 inch hole. But this one here is definitely a lot more flimsier. This is a lot stronger and beefier, holds a lot more heavier items than you're going to get with this one. But be careful when you order these online. I ordered a bunch of these. Well, I thought I was getting these, but in actuality, I got these because it said that in the description, these were for 1/4 inch holes. Well, technically it's going to fit into a 1/4 inch hole, but it's clearly 1/8 of an inch thick. So you got to read carefully the description. Get the beefier ones. They hold much more weight and they're much sturdier. I found me a couple of helpers. I picked these 2 kids up off the street, offered them some candy, and they agreed to help me. Actually, the one in the red hoodie is my grandson, and the other boy is his friend. They hold up the pegboard long enough for me to put a screw through the top rail in the center. Then I level it and put in the remaining screws. I find that the most useful hooks are these double 4-inch, this single 6-inch, and the single 8-inch. If you get a bunch of hooks like this, which they throw into a package, it says you get like 100 hooks in a package. You only get a few of the good ones. You get a bunch of these little tiny useless ones.
So I'm putting every little thing right where it belongs. Label on the box, clear on the shelf, helps me stay strong. If I know where to look, I can get right to work. Yeah, a place for every piece keeps my mind from getting hurt. When my space is in order, ideas come easily. Putting every little thing right where it belongs. Label on the box, clear on the shelf.